Digitalization, Internet 4.0, and big data are the words on everyone's lips. But what really happens when massive amounts of processed data are analyzed in companies? If you want to efficiently exploit the potential hidden in all this flood of data, first of all, you have to structure its recording and storage. Only then can a conclusive analysis be conducted. It is exactly to this end that Nölle Nordhorn have developed their digital measurement data acquisition system, known as DiMeES, which has gone on to achieve first place in the Telecom Digital X Awards in the Digital Products and Services category. The Digital X distinction, awarded by the German Telecom in collaboration with the Federal Association of SMEs, is conferred on the most spunky and most innovative digitalization and transformation projects to come out of German small and medium-sized enterprises. The specific aim of DiMeES is to optimize all resources which are used by implementing transparent processes and their associated cost savings. The DiMeES Master Module and the Extension Modules all have digital and analog inputs, and the great thing is that signals can be looped through by the modules, which means they are available for other applications. Sensors that are already present, or any new ones, can be connected to the inputs. The DiMeES GSM module can then send data in an encrypted format to a cloud computing platform. Data transfer is carried out using M2M, machine-to-machine SIM cards, provided by Telecom, a system which guarantees maximum data security. In this way, encrypted data transmission can take place independently of any company network. Let's begin by taking a really simple example. We have used one single temperature sensor to record the temperature profile in our own canteen. The graphic analysis of the data can be individually customized. Do you notice anything about the temperature curve shown here? Yes, you're bound to have seen it. Towards evening, the temperature suddenly begins to rise, although the room is no longer being used. This waste of heating energy would never have been noticed without DiMeES. Another example of how DiMeES can be used is shown by the mobile stable supplied by the company of Predictive GmbH in Riedberg, Germany. A high degree of automation here sees to feeding, to the weather-dependent ventilation system, to the operating of the egg-laying, egg collection belt, and to the opening of the hatches, to name but a few actions. Because all the sensors monitored are only present in the control system, only one radio module with the DiMeES software is included in this control cabinet. The module allows access to all variables within the control system and sends the selected data in encrypted format to the cloud computing platform. Such information also includes water consumption, which is recorded via this water meter. The consumption curve reveals a typical pattern, illustrating day use and night consumption. Any discrepancies can then be noted to send warning messages direct to a mobile phone, for example by using push notifications. All this enables the poultry to be well looked after. A combined sensor is used for the monitoring of air quality, and the CO2 value is used for the controlling of ventilation in the chicken house. Here too, DiMeES can send a warning message if the said value remains too high for too long.
The CO2 content of the air in the stable is too high. Please check.
The evaluating of all this data enables the farmer to see at a glance whether everything in the mobile stable is running as it should. Documentation required within the agricultural community and all other certificates for associations such as Demeter and Bioland can be automatically drawn up with the assistance of DiMeES. The development of the DiMeES software has enabled the exchange of data between different systems, a fact illustrated by the following example. Orders at Rolla come direct from SAP software. This company manufactures industrial hoses complete with certificate. All industrial hoses are subjected to test procedures, the results of which are logged. The job order specifications are sent direct to the control system of the testing facility. DiMeES serves here as the interface for the exchange of data. The tested values are then sent back to SAP. The test report is automatically set up and saved in a product data record. With DiMeES, the entire process, starting with the order through production, right up to dispatch and invoicing, is carried out efficiently. In the Institute for Lightweight Construction with Hybrid Systems at the University of Paderborn in Germany, a centralized hydraulic unit provides the entire experimental hall with hydraulic power. 4 120 kilowatt engines provide the individual testing installations with power. These facilities are connected via permanently installed hydraulic lines. Every station is individually monitored using DiMeES. This means that costs for all individual experiments can also be easily determined. In some cases, even the data of the hydraulics can be relevant for the evaluating of test results obtained from material testing. Such information is retrievable via DiMeES at any time. This procedure also makes up part of the research work. With DiMeES, Nölle Nordhorn have developed a tool which lends itself fantastically to the monitoring and analyzing of the most diverse processes. At Klaas in Harzewinkel, Germany, DiMeES is implemented for the monitoring of initial filling of their machines with diesel and hydraulic oil. Access to the data of the fuel depot allows the supplier to optimize all manner of delivery logistics in good time. The hydraulic oil that has been delivered is monitored by means of various sensors. During final assembly, the machines are refueled with diesel and hydraulic oil. The quantity used for filling up and its quality are documented and then saved in an inspection report. So now you have seen a few examples of how DiMeES can turn the potential hidden in data to really good use and in a most efficient way. Further details, also for your kind of application and utilization, can be obtained at Nölle Nordhorn. Join us in the shaping and designing of the digital age.